Learning a traditional wind instrument usually means navigating a steep, intimidating curve. You have to decipher dense sheet music while your fingers move through the complex mechanics of a metal keyboard. The Native American flute offers a different entry point. You don't need to read notation, and the barrier to entry is low, relying almost entirely on a gentle, natural breath. Historically, variations of this instrument were used across regional indigenous traditions for courting, signaling, and community rituals. Today, it has been widely embraced for meditative solo playing. When picking up the instrument today, many players are chasing a specific resonance, 528 Hz. In modern wellness circles, this exact tuning is frequently called the miracle tone or the love frequency. Reaching that exact 528 Hz resonance is a physical task of mastering your own anatomy and airflow rather than a mystical process. The instrument creates sound through a specific anatomy. Air enters the slow air chamber at the top, channeling your breath toward a wooden block over a split edge. Sound happens here. The airstream hits the edge and divides, creating the physical vibration. Because of how that airflow works, your first goal as a learner is not playing a complete song. Your only job is to produce a single, stable, fundamental note. To get that clear tone, you need to sit upright, ensure an absolute finger seal, and apply gentle breath pressure. This diagram shows what happens when beginners make their most common mistake, blowing too hard. The waveform gets harsh and the flute squeaks. The fix is to reduce your breath pressure until the wave smooths out into a clean tone. Every melody you will ever play depends on this foundation, converting your raw breath into one perfectly controlled physical vibration. Once you can hold that stable, squeak-free note, how do you actually start building a melody? This shows the internal logic of Native American flutes, the minor pentatonic scale. The instrument is designed around 5 specific notes. You learn this note by note. Lift one finger at a time, walking up the scale, then reverse the path down to the root. Practicing this strict, unbroken loop builds necessary muscle memory. Eventually, fingerings become automatic, and your hands learn the layout without you needing to look down. This pentatonic blueprint acts as a physical safety net. By limiting the available notes, the flute naturally prevents harsh dissonance, which turns basic scale repetition into immediate, pleasing music. As you move through those fingerings, you have to manage a hidden variable. Your breath pressure cannot stay the same for every note. Look at this graph plotting pitch against air volume. Higher pitches demand a stronger airstream. Lowest notes require less pressure. Once breath is balanced, apply articulation. Notice the airflow breaking into distinct pulses. You create this with a soft ta sound sounding every note. Without that ta attack, the scale blurs together into a mechanical run of sound. With it, every single note gets a clear, intelligible beginning. Dynamic breath control and crisp articulation act as the punctuation marks of your playing. They give shape to the sound, transforming a finger drill into a musical phrase. True phrasing happens when you intentionally vary note lengths and use moments of silence to separate your ideas. From there, you can explore expressive techniques like holding a steady drone note while weaving a secondary melody over it, or creating improvised call and response patterns. This frequency meter shows where the 528 Hz miracle tone comes into play as a vital tuning frame. Mastery depends on maintaining a stable scale and shaping a melody without allowing the pitch to drift. When the simple technique, steady breath, and precise finger placement merge, you reach a deeply resonant, focused state. The instrument removes the barrier of complex music theory, allowing a direct connection between the player's breath and the vibrating air. This physical link turns a simple exhale into a tool for melodic expression. To play your first clear note, enroll in the Native American Indian flute tutorial at thegreatdiscovery.com today.